Okay, hello, this is Carrie Ann. I'm the communications lead with the Worldwide Climate and Justice Education Week. Today, we are going to look at signing up our event, adding it to the map, and then how to go in and change the details of our event. So I'm going to click on event, and here we have the map, and I'm going to hit click to host. And now I have some details and reminders of what to include. Make sure we have a contact information and our language listed. And I'm going to mark this as a test event. Something to be aware of is if you hit virtual, you'll notice that the required asterisks on your location will go away. So you no longer need to include details about the location. If you don't include the details, it will not show up on this map here on this page. It will only be searchable through this list. However, the map that is on the BARD website will include all the virtual events because we go back in and manually re-add your location for your dot to show up. And when we send out a list of all the events that are happening, you'll still be included. You just won't see your little dot on the map here the same way if you don't include that location. So you'll add your virtual link and then go through and add this information. We're going to keep this really simple, so I'm going to go ahead and just move to the next step. It's going to ask me to create an account. And by creating an account, I'm making a host account to be able to host events through Action Network. Action Network is like Eventbrite or any other platform you've used to host an event before. We have an error. Oh, I didn't see this. Okay, there. Okay, so now it's telling me to, oh, no, thank you, Google. It's telling me to go check my inbox. So I'm going to go to my inbox and I've got this email from Brian Young. And I'm going to click here to confirm my email address and confirm my account. Okay, it's confirmed and it's bringing me back to the test event page that I've already started to make. So I already went through here. I already added some of the details for my event. I'm going to hit save and go to the next step. And then this is the page that anyone who registers to attend the event through your Action Network event page will see. So if you've attended one of the webinars of our program, you're definitely familiar with this page. I recommend putting your Zoom link if you're having a virtual event here. And if you're not having a virtual event, maybe some location details, where to park, all that type of stuff can go here. And there you go. You've got your event set up. I'm going to hit save and publish. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be going in. Oh, I didn't add a date. I was gonna say it's gonna be going in a circle here. Let's try again. Save and next step. Save and publish for our test event. Cool. So this is the back end of our event page. I can hit view event. I'm going to open these in a new tab so we don't lose this page. This is what it looks like on Action Network. If I take the direct link here and send it out to all of my friends, they're going to see the same exact page. This event is virtual. They'll not be logged into Action Network, most likely, so they'll have to sign up. You do not have to use this event page to invite your attendees. If you want to use it, you are welcome to. If you want to use something else like Eventbrite or Facebook event or whatever, you are welcome to do that. Just make sure the link to whatever you choose to use is somewhere in the Action Network so that when we put together our list of events happening, we have lots of details to share with folks about the great work you did. So you'll see that we've gone ahead and added some links here as well about resources to help you plan your event. We have so many awesome resources if you're still looking for stuff to do. And now if we remember when I set all of this up, I did not include all my information. I didn't know all my information. I need to edit my event. So I'm going to go here back to edit, and it's going to give me this reminder again. I can just hit OK. All right, and now I can go back in and I can add my website. I can add my name. I'm going to update all the things that I did not get to add earlier. Okay. Good. This looks good to me. Maybe I want to edit the form. If you want more info on that, I will leave a link to Action Network's how to edit the form details. And then I can go to save, and I'm going to save all these updates that I've made to my event. And now if I come back here and I reload, I've got all the updates that I've made. And we can see if we navigate back to the event page. And I'm going to search test because I did not put a location, so I'm not going to be able to find mine up there. This is the one I just made. The other one is me playing around as well. Cool. So now my event is here. I've got all this cool details. You can find it on the long list of events that are happening. People can sign up through this page as well. Yeah, and that's how I found my event. If you do not have the link to your events here, maybe you didn't save it or it just got lost, that's okay. My recommendation for finding this page is to go back to your email and search for an email from Action Network that says your event is published. And then this part right here will lead you back to that event page where you can edit your details. So that's kind of the easiest way to find this information again. I'll put some other notes in the description on other ways to find it, but that is by far the easiest way. If this email is not at the top of your inbox, as mine is, I would go ahead and do that search, and Action Network brings this email right up. Your event has been published, and then again, I'm clicking on this link here in order to go back and edit my event. If you do not have this email, you can't figure out how to get into the back, you need to make changes, you're not seeing your event on the map, any issues at all with your event listing, you can email me directly and I can actually go in and edit everyone's event. So any changes you need, you can't get, or anything you need help with, please feel free to just reach out to me. I'm happy to make adjustments for you. Yeah, so I hope that helps. And again, if you have any questions, please just reach out.